This is a homage beat.
YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy D Hyde. Just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day, man. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys my full routine when it comes to applying beard oils, beard balms, and beard butters. So you guys stick around and I'm gonna show you guys all three of my routines. Now the best time for me to apply products to my beard is when I'm fresh out the shower. A nice hot steamy shower will help loosen up the beard a little bit and just make it a little more manageable. Now for me, when I'm in the shower, I always condition my beard all the time, okay? A nice hot steamy shower plus conditioning the beard really helps to soften up the beard. And then what I'll do is I'll take a wide tooth comb and just kind of clear the beard out while I'm in the shower and let that conditioner sit in and just continue washing my body. The last thing I will do is rinse the beard out. All right, fellas, so now that the conditioner is out the beard, as you guys can see, the beard is nice and wet. So what I'm gonna do is just dry the beard a little bit, okay? Not crazy. I'm not gonna just get in there and just start scrubbing it dry. I'm just gonna take off all that water that's dripping out of the beard, all right? And just kind of dry it up a little bit. And still leave that damp, moist feel inside the beard. Now the first application is gonna be beard oil. And I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my beard oil, all right? I do this in the morning and I also do this at night. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple drops, maybe 3 drops because of my beard. It's a little bigger now. And I'm gonna rub them to my fingertips, okay? So from here, I'm just gonna take this and massage this deep in the beard, all the way down into the skin. Then if you want, you can take a couple more drops and then pretty much just cover the entire beard with it. Now you can just rub it in all over or just to cover the entire beard. Now you can use a brush to kind of help spread the oil a little better. And what I usually like to do is just take the brush to kind of brush and straighten out this top side, okay? Because for me, I really can't style the beard with a brush just because my beard is a little longer. And I like my beard to look a particular way. But just here on this top side where the beard is a lot lower, it does a really good job. And then, you know, not so much for under here. But it's definitely good to kind of spread the oil around using the brush. And then you can hit the mustache with it, all right? Now for me, using a brush, it's not gonna work as well when it comes to styling the beard, and that's where the pick comes into play, okay? Metal pick, wood pick, you know, it's your choice, man, but I just like using the metal pick because it gives me way more volume, all right? So using the pick really helps when you have a bigger beard. Like I said, you know, wood pick, metal pick, plastic pick, it's all good, man, all right? And that's just with the oil. Now I can go back with the brush, hit the mustache, or I can use a little small tooth comb, hit the mustache. And that's pretty much my whole process when I'm applying just the oil to my beard. It still makes the beard look really nice and vibrant looking. As you guys can see, the oil that's in there, the beard is still a little damp on the inside. And it just makes my beard feel good, man, for like a good portion of the day. Of course, it's gonna dry out at the end of the day, but this really helps me, you know, kind of keep that nice fresh look and that nice feel throughout the day when I'm just using straight oil. All right, fellas, so next up, we got the beard butter, okay? Now, beard butters are really good to kind of add more volume to your beard. I've noticed that whenever I use beard butter, it does make my beard look a little fuller, gives it more volume. And, you know, using this by itself, it's not gonna give you that super shiny look like using the oil or a balm. But like I said, it's definitely gonna give you some volume. It's gonna give you more of a natural look. You know, with everything in here, like the butters and all those things, it's more of like a conditioning moisturizer type product, okay? Now, I do like using this with a combination of the oils. So what I'll usually do is I'll do the same steps. I'll get out the shower, the beard is nice and damp. I'll apply this straight to the beard, and then what I'll do is I'll apply the oil after. Now let me show you guys. So what I usually do is I'll take like a nickel size, or you can take more or less depending on how big your beard is, all right? And I'm just gonna rub this into my hand to kind of break it down a little bit and then massage it deep into my beard, okay? Now, as you guys can see, it looks a little white, but that'll definitely go away, you know, depending on how much you put on the beard. But you just gotta massage it in, just rub it in. And then from there, what I like to do is just take my pick, or you can take your brush and brush it depending on how big your beard is. but I'll just take my pick, just clear the beard out. Now I can take a couple drops of oil, about 4. Rub this in, and then I can just apply this to the beard. Just rub it into the beard nice. And this is definitely giving me that extra shine, plus all the great benefits that comes in a beard oil. All right. And then from there, I can just hit it one more time with the pick to have it looking real nice and even. All right. And then I'm good to go. Just tap everything down, get everything looking nice and even, and I'm good to go. All right. The beard feels a little thicker, looks real nice, nice and neat with that oil. Gives a little shine, and I'm good to go. Okay. Now that's applying the oil and the butter. Okay. What I usually do is I'll apply the butter straight out the shower, like I showed you guys how I apply the oil straight out the shower. And then what I will do is I'll take a little bit of oil and just apply it to the top of the beard and just kind of work it in a little bit and then clear everything out. Try to style it the best I can, and I'm good to go. All right, fellas, so last but not least, I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the beard balm. Now, when it comes to applying it, I love using the beard butter with the balm. For me, it just seems like I get really good results because the butter is gonna add that little volume to the beard. And then the way I apply the balm is just on the top layer of the beard, not deep inside, and massaging the balm into the beard. All right. I actually did a video on beard oils versus beard balms / beard butters. If you guys want to check that video out, click on the card that pops up. Now let me show you guys really quick on how I apply both products. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nickel amount of beard butter, okay, and just rub this into my hand and massage it deep into the beard. So from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of balm. All right, probably like a little dime size. Okay? Rub this into my hand. Show you guys, break it down. Remember, the balm it's gonna add that extra shine to your beard. All right, it's a little shinier than just using oil, and it's a little shinier than using the beard butter. But the most important thing with this is do not massage this into your beard. Now for guys like myself that have a thicker, coarser beard, like I mentioned in my last video, balm definitely starts to build up on your beard if you use it on a regular basis. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to take the balm and just apply it to the top of the beard. All right, and this will really help to kind of hold the beard and help you with those flyaway hairs. And then from here, you can go back, take your pick, and just lay the hair down. Again, this will help with the flyaway hairs and to help you style your beard the way you want it. Okay, as you guys can see, it has that nice little shine on it. All right, and the beard is looking real nice and even. You can pat it down from this point. You know, don't pat it down too much and push the beard up, but just kind of work at it. And once that wax starts to harden up, the beard is going to be pretty much locked in place, and you can go on about your day or go on about your night. All right, fellas, so that's pretty much it, man. All 3 of my routines. All right. Using just the oil by itself, like I showed you guys, is really good. Keeps the beard nice and light. Then you can also use the butter by itself to add a little more volume. Then you can combine the butter with the oil to add a little more volume with a little more shine. And then, of course, like I showed you guys at the end, you can do the butter along with a balm. So you guys have all those options, man. Definitely give it a shot. Check it out. See what works for you. But those are my 3 routines that really works for me when it comes to styling and adding product to my beard, all right? Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, don't forget to share it, like, comment, subscribe. And listen, you guys take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful week, man. This is your boy D High, and I'll catch you guys next time. All right, peace out.